Hey, future homeowners, if you're looking to buy your very first house, I have 5 essential tips that are going to make the process a lot smoother and, trust me, way less stressful. Let's get into it. Tip number 1, get pre-approved for a mortgage. Before you start browsing those beautiful dream homes on Zillow like we all love to do, make sure you know how much you can afford. This will not only give you a clear budget, but also let everyone know you're serious. Plus, as soon as you find the one, it'll help the process go a lot faster. Tip number 2, make a list of your must-have and your nice-to-haves. Think about what's essential, like bedrooms, location, and then think about the stuff that's going to be a bonus, like a huge pool, a home gym. But make sure you know which things are important. That way it keeps you on track for when you're looking at homes. Tip number 3, don't forget about the extra cost. I know it's not fun, but it's easy to just focus on the down payment. Don't forget that you're going to have closing costs, inspections, and then just typical moving expenses. Always leave a little room in the budget just for all those unexpected costs that you might not know you need.